In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to Hostinger step by step. If you recently purchased hosting on Hostinger and you want your domain that's currently registered on Namecheap to be managed there as well, transferring the domain is a great option. It allows you to manage your hosting and your domain in one place, which makes everything much easier in the long run. The good news is the process is actually very simple and only takes a few minutes to start. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through unlocking your domain in Namecheap, getting your EPP Authorization Code, and then completing the transfer inside Hostinger. By the end of this video, your domain transfer will be started and ready for approval. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into the process. First, open your browser and go to namecheap.com, then log into the account where your domain is currently registered. After logging in, look at the menu on the left side and click on Domain List. This will show you all the domains that are currently inside your Namecheap account. Find the domain name that you want to transfer to Hostinger. Next to that domain, you'll see a Manage button. Go ahead and click Manage to open the domain management settings. Inside the domain settings page, the first thing you need to do is unlock the domain. Domains are usually locked by default for security reasons, which prevents unauthorized transfers. Look for the option called Domain Lock and toggle it off so the domain becomes unlocked. Once the domain is unlocked, scroll down until you find the section called Transfer Out or Authorization Code. Here you'll see an option that says Get EPP Code. The EPP code is a special authorization code that allows another registrar, in this case Hostinger, to request the domain transfer. Click Get EPP Code and Namecheap will either display the code or send it to your email. Copy that code because you will need it in the next step. Now open a new tab and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look for the Domains section in the menu. Click on Domains and then find the option called Transfers. This is where you can start transferring a domain from another registrar into Hostinger. Inside the transfer page, click the option that says Transfer a Domain or Transfer to Hostinger. Hostinger will now ask you to enter the domain name that you want to transfer. Type your domain name exactly as it appears, then click the Transfer button to continue. Hostinger will check the domain and confirm that it's eligible for transfer. After that, you'll be prompted to enter the EPP code that you copied earlier from Namecheap. Paste the authorization code into the field and continue to the next step. At this point, Hostinger will ask you to complete the transfer payment. Domain transfers usually include a 1-year renewal of the domain, which is why there is a transfer fee. Complete the checkout process and confirm the order. After the payment is complete, the transfer request will officially be sent from Hostinger to Namecheap. You will typically receive a confirmation email asking you to approve the transfer. Make sure you open that email and confirm the transfer request. Once approved, the transfer process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to several days depending on the domain registry, but in many cases it finishes within 24 hours. And that's it. You've now successfully started transferring your domain from Namecheap to Hostinger. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will appear inside your Hostinger domain dashboard, where you can manage DNS settings, connect it to your hosting, and control everything from one place. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.